sheepies, it's Chelsea. Welcome back to another body paint video. Today we are painting the ever wonderful Starfire. So first I'm starting off by marking out the gem in the center of her chest. I'm just using my hair wax pot and a light coloured eyebrow pencil to do all my outlining. Now that I've finished all the outlining, I am starting my face makeup. Now the foundation I'm using is a MAC Face and Body, and it's got a slight orange tone to it, which is what I wanted. I wanted an orange look to Starfire without using straight orange face paint. Here I'm using some highlighting drops to give myself a little glow before I put on highlighting powder. Here I'm using some blush just to give myself some rosy cheeks to emulate Starfire's lovely warm personality. Next I'm putting on my highlighter over all the places that I put the liquid highlighter. Next I'm filling in my eyebrows with a red liquid lipstick to match the wig that's sitting behind me. Because I don't have any red eyebrow products, I just use liquid lipstick and kind of hoped for the best. Next I'm starting to do my eyeshadow. So first I'm using a grey shadow to get, as you saw, a very pointed look to my eyes, because Starfire has very almond pointy eyes and I have very round eyes. So I'm trying to give the illusion that I have pointy eyes. Next I'm going in with a shimmer, a white light shimmer on the inner corners of my eye and on my lid to make my eyes appear bigger. Next I'm adding some warmth and some colour to my grey because I thought it was too dull. So I'm using this orange shadow from Urban Decay and just tapping pretty much all the product off so it gets a very nice light orange pinky colour in my crease. Next I'm doing liquid liner, pretty basic, simple liquid eyeliner. Next I'm filling in my lips with a reddy orangey colour. Then I'm doing mascara as usual. Now we're on to body paint, and I'm using Global Colours Lilac for her purple. And I'm leaving a space between the edges of pretty much everything because she has silver lining everything. Very hard to explain. Next I'm filling in the gem she has in the middle of her chest. That is a lovely bright green. And here I'm starting to finally go in with the silver, which is the edging of everything on her bodysuit, really. Now this silver takes quite a few layers to get that metallic shine effect. So I would just keep going over and over all of the edges that were silver to get it nice and opaque and to have that metallic sheen. Here, as you can see, I'm starting to fill in my arms with purple. I'd already filled in my braces with silver while I was outlining the silver on my bodysuit. Now I'm starting to highlight and shade the gem that Starfire has on her chest. Here I have a reference image up and I'm purely going off that the entire time to give it the effect that I want. Next I'm going in with some black eyeshadow that has been tapped out severely on the brush, and I'm just doing some shading that's necessary to go along with the highlights. So here's my completed Starfire body paint. I am absolutely in love with how it came out. I love it so much. The wig just added, like just fully completed it. I love it. I'm so happy with how this turned out. So thank you guys for sticking around with me while I haven't been posting. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get on top of it. Thank you. I love you all. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. Yeah, so thank you all very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.